say we do a video na ato Adom TV. Emma ho sepe, we yo odehye mapa. Man fro na na me fro hema. Aha aya Adom Nkuranhyensem. Na wo somfo Apostle Dr. Rita Kotegu ena mtidwo ma me dwumadi ho chiame. Ene so ma betra se me kire sa braba obebo na fi we nyina no. Etoje wankasa. Na me nika ma afihyiapa na me nse onyame nhira emfa mu fie so. Se wadi fi ene ofi bamu. Ya be bia no nhirantio entongu so na Adom ennom na won sam nyansampa na ne je nware wo ye kana joy. Na abrabo so ye hits. Abrabo edimu. Ene day me pese me catch you say no one has to write your destiny for you. No one. Not your mother, not your father, not your spouse, not your colleague, not your friends. No one has the right to write your destiny for you. Obi ni akwenya. And akwenya ni obi nsam, tumi bi ni obi nsam. So obekire bebe abra boba akoduro. Ema kwan. Sobuobo ayade a eka wo hye. Oh, my brother, me boy, obonsem bi abeka me. My brother, me boy, say me Ghana ni nti. Aka yeni ya na efi aka gan form bi di me o me nyema ya no. O male. Ka fo boy Ghana etu aka shi onyo chombomo ni obaye mu. Nya gbogboto amanya ga ka emfa ho. Baby, a free no does not determine where you are going. Where you are going is determined by what you are thinking. Where you are going is determined by the knowledge you have acquired. And where you are going is determined by the skills set and the interactions you are about to make. When you are not being kita home, when you are found young kumbe chile baby abra baba kudru. Sabe uko transe you ase. Nani wani ya protection for young kwa wabra baba do hifa. And now for nimdifo na wotetie Adom Nkuranhyensem na fa ni te ko young kwa wabra baba do nchen. Wonim se wani abo oni ombe okoshata fre na protocol se be kan say show me your friend and I will show you your character. Chirem wadanfo na menchire wusu ene oban. Chirem wadanfo na menchire odaache. Mimi si so no. Me fa adwumo po se empani a wo kyemie. Woni e wo suahunu e kyemie e na mesom wom afom nko. Tu hia me Professor 1 Aziato. Madamfo. Professor Aba Amfo. Vice Chancellor University of Ghana. Madamfo. Professor KK Sa. Madamfo. Pastor John Hagee, Madamfo, Reverend Anna Pastor Miles Moro, Yan Bebiko, Madamfo, and Namfo, me farm mono, a dimu a one cassa air foot to the mammy. The Dick kind of memo brabo moon sakayabano, a 1 year would take away. Was Anna Panwa TV, not a soap opera, but how we need 2 hours, then I will show. The son would do woman at the shambre. Since an anno uncle ye, na few way they say coye. Na ne ye die ni gina nyoma obesua so o wala shi hne ko ba ya no ejani bi no ba kase me no ko he ba bo ame bora be nchon me no ka me nyo no ka me chakpan nye nyo ne ka jele na me ba chon no ya to so mienu no ba kase me na gbine me no kase yo me nyo no ba kase ka wotu e de na wusua anwum bi a eso yin fa so na wotie movie bi a fa so me na wotie Nyoma be hwan wadwe proso no ene be kire wo daache ekanko krakwa no ensa no adwuma obesua onyame ma wonsa teadu se fa ye bibi ma abrabo amfa ma se fa didi keke ana fa bo obi asum ana fa ye obi o se fa ye adwuma edi adwuma na betime de wonsa ayo na de mfa so abre wo na obi enya adwuma din bia na bibi wa wo betime afiri mu ayo ene dai eba no wawade amu eba no mma ene wagya no wona hwemu eba no wapo mu de bibi wa betimi ayoke wo so anopa de no wo de ye de na wo ka kire obi ene ebiom to so miensa eye adwene a wo dwene you find self talk. What do you say in your head about you and about life? Wo so anopa de na wo ka fa brabo ho de na ka fa ho o me de me nsem fata obi wo se me de me tade ntimi ho nimfa so wana ka kire wo was a mere Debra, until Libra need the service. One that catches a Libra. You are a worker. So what time, dear? So Osumobi, you are also a worker. Be proud of who you are and go ahead and do what you know how to do and do it best. A prana opera, you don't want to pray ye no be just one a praha, one son regimano. Could so when you have for our baby, bet me more cool anymore. The ane neno, you don't want to ye. Yena, who trap. na ye nensem fata eko ya wo ni mi sha boy ka joko oluwa presi an ke me na lo e for na he already you know ya wo